Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am here with another video on the exercise 3.6, which is the last exercise of this linear equation in one variable. Okay, so before starting this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also click the bell button to get the notification as soon as I post my new videos. Okay, so here the first question is solve the following equation. In that, first one is given as 8x minus 3 divided by 3x is equals to 2 is given. So let us solve this here. What we have to do here is, you can see the denominator is given as 3x. We have to take this denominator to the right side. So it will become 8x minus 3 will be as it is, which is equals to, this will be multiplied to this side. So 2 into 3x. Okay, so here it will be 8x minus 3, which is equals to 2 3s are 6 and x. So now what we have to do is, we have to bring this 6x from right side to the left side and this 3 to the right side. So it will become 8x minus 6x, which is equals to, when we bring this 3 to this side, it will become plus 3. So this is 2x is equals to 3. Now therefore x is equals to 3. When you bring this 2 to this side, it will become 3 divided by 2. That's all. Okay. So moving on to the second one. Second question is 9x divided by 7 minus 6x is equals to 15. Here also the same thing we have to follow. We have to move the denominator to the right side. So it will become 9x is equals to 15 into 7 minus 6x. Okay. So 9x will be as it is, which is equals to 15 into 7 is nothing but 105. Minus 15 into 6 is nothing but 90, and this x will be as it is. Next what we have to do, we have to bring this 90x to this side. So it will become 9x plus 90x, which is equals to 105. So 9x plus 90x is nothing but 99x, which is equals to 105. Now x is equals to, it will become x is equals to 105 divided by 99. Okay, so this is nothing but, you can cancel this by 3 table. 3 3s are 9 and 3 3s are 9, and here we'll get 3 3s are 9, 1 is carried, so this will become 15. 3 5s are 15. So the value of x is nothing but 35 by 33. Okay, so the next question is third one. You can see here z divided by z plus 15 is equals to 4 by 9. So here also what we have to do is, we have to cross multiply this. So here we will get 9 into z is nothing but 9z, which is equals to 4 into z plus 15. So 9z is equals to 4 into z is 4z plus 15 4s are, we are getting 60. So 9z, when you bring this 4z to this side, it will become minus 4z, which is equals to 60. So 9z minus 4z is 5z, which is equals to 60, and z is equals to 60 divided by this 5. So it will become 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 1 is carried, and 5 2s are 10. So the value of z is nothing but 12. Next question is fourth one. So here also what we have to do is, we have to cross multiply over here. Okay, so it will become 5 into 3y plus 4, which is equals to minus 2 into 2 minus 6y. So it will become 5 3s are 15, y plus 5 4s are 20, which is equals to minus 2 2s are 4, minus into minus will get plus 2 6 are 12y. Okay, now we will move this 12y to this side. We will get 15y minus 12y, which is equals to minus 4, and when we bring this 20 to this side, it will become minus 20. So 15y minus 12y is nothing but, 3y, which is equals to minus 24. So y is equals to minus 24 divided by 3. So this is 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are 24. So y is equals to, we are getting minus 8. Next one is also the similar one. So here also you have to use the similar rule, that is cross multiplication. So here you will get 3 into 7y plus 4, which is equals to minus 4 into y plus 2. So here 7 3s are 21y plus 3 4s are 12, which is equals to minus 4 into y is minus 4y, minus into plus is minus, and 4 2s are 8. So next 21y, and we'll bring this 4y to this side, we'll get plus 4y, which is equals to minus 8, and when we bring this to this side we'll get minus 12. Okay, so 21y plus 4y is nothing but 25y, which is equals to minus 20. So y is equals to minus 20 by 25. So this is 5 5s are 25 and 5 4s are. So we are getting y is equals to minus 4 by 5. So the next question, sixth one, that is given as a word problem. The ages of Hari and Harry are in the ratio of 5:7. So here two persons ratios are been given. Ages of their ratios are given in their ages, that is 5:7. 4 years from now, the ratio of their age will be 3:4. Find their present ages. So before solving the question here, what we have to write is, let their ages be presented as x. Okay, so we have to consider their age is x. So now Harry's age is equals to 5x. Since it is given as in the ratio, Harry's age is 5x, and this is Harry's age, and Harry's age is given as 7x. Okay, so now according to the question we can write, as you can see here what they have given. The ages of Hari and Harry are in the ratio 5:7, but from 4 years from now the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. So what we have to write, we have to consider that ratio in the form of ratios, we have to consider into this form. Okay, so when what they have told, 4 years from now, so it means plus 4 we have to add to both this numerator as well as denominator, and this will be equals to 3/4. Okay, so now we have to solve this equation. What we have to do is cross multiply here. So 4 into 5x plus 4, which is equals to 3 into 7x plus 4. So 5 4s are 20 into x will be as it is, plus 4 4s are 16, which is equals to 3 7s are 21x plus 3 4s are 12. Okay, so this will become 20x. When we bring this to this side, it will become minus 21x, which is equals to 12 will be as it is, and when we bring this to this side, it will become minus 16. So 20 minus 21 is nothing but minus x, which is equals to minus 4. Here minus and minus will be cancelled. X is equals to 4 is the answer. So according to their ages, Hari's age will be was 5 into x, so it is 5 into 4, that is 20 years, and Harry's age will be 7 into x, that is 7 into 4, 7 4s are 28 years. Okay, so moving on to the next question here, the last question of this exercise as well as this chapter. The denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. So let us consider this. What they have told, the denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. So let us consider the numerator as Okay, so first what we have to do is we have to consider the numerator to be as x. Now according to the question they have given denominator is x greater. Okay, what they have told, the denominator of the rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. This is the numerator and this denominator is greater by 8. Okay, so if the numerator is increased, now let us write according to the question. According to the question, it will become the numerator is x and the denominator is x plus 8. Okay, now if the numerator is increased by 17, now we are increasing this numerator by 17 and the denominator is decreased by 1, so this will become minus 1. Okay, the number obtained is 3 by 2, which is equals to 3 by 2. Find the rational number. We have to find the rational number. We have to find the value of x. So here also what we have to do is cross multiply. So before cross multiplying, we shall know here this will become that x plus 17 and here we will get x plus 8 minus 1 is plus 7, which is equals to 3 by 2. Now we will cross multiply here. So we will get 2 into x plus 17, which is equals to 3 into x plus 7. So this will become 2x plus 17 2s are 34, which is equals to 3x plus 7 3s are 21. So let us bring this to this side. It will become 2x minus 3x, which is equals to 21 minus 34. Okay, so this is minus x, which is equals to minus 21 minus 34. We will get 3 and 1. So we will get the answer as 13. So we will cancel this minus and this minus sign. So finally we are going to get x is equals to 13. Okay, so I hope you understood this exercise. If you have any doubts regarding this, please comment me down below and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.